This is just regular charcoal, something you would use for BBQ. Let's break the charcoal to pieces by sanding it with a nice coarse and paper. The powdered charcoal looks weak and a gust of wind would break it apart. Now comes super glue, my man, to hold everything together parts for parts. It gets so tough that the hammer had to huff and puff. Now we see a broken part, a plastic that broke cause it's made for eco bluff. We start by pinching some plasticine gooey stuff. Then we press it against the plastic with the okay part. Press it tight, press it hard. Then we take it to see the imprint on the groovy stuff. That is the mold we need. Then we place the mold under the broken part. Then we fill the gaps with some of those carbon dust. Before we bring in the super glue to solidify it, drip a few drips, then a few more. Put more dust, put more glue, dab a few dab and let it dry up. Take out the mold and clear up the edges, sand it down to size and buff it a little more. Now you see how hard the new carbon is. No more broken plastic like it was. It's really easy and you can save a few bucks. Be creative and start working on other plastic car parts. Smoothen the edges, put on the glue. Spread some of the carbon dust and put on more glue. Buff, baby, buff. Now you know how to fix your aeroplastic part. You can focus on the 12.9 quarter mile that you suck.
Drive sail ALAs, down to stupid malls. Drive sail ALAs, down to stupid malls.